Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by readying the phone and host PC. Unlock the bootloader or obtain an exploit. This lets you flash low-level partitions. Once done, download a verified Windows 10 ARM image, matching drivers, and the phone flashing tool. Make sure the device is charged above 50% and connect with a high-quality USB cable to a Windows PC that has 8+ GB free. You're initiating the process now, not stalling on setup. Collect these files and confirm boot access before continuing. You now flash the core partitions. Boot the phone into its loader or recovery so the PC detects fast boot or the vendor-specific mode. Once connected, install the device drivers on your PC. This prevents driver timeouts during write operations. Use the flashing utility to write boot, system, vendor, and any modem partitions in the order specified by the image notes. Monitor the tool's logs for errors. If writes succeed, trigger the first boot to the Windows installer and proceed with on-screen setup steps. You finish by completing Windows setup and installing device drivers so hardware works correctly. Once the OS boots, enable network access and run touch and display calibration as needed. If you hit a boot loop or crashes, reflash the boot and system partitions first, then check the flashing logs for any failing blobs or mismatched firmware. Mismatched vendor partitions are a common cause. Make a backup image of the working system and record which driver versions solved issues. This saves time if you need to restore.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.